check if it is safe. Check consciousness by gently shaking the shoulders and speaking to the child. If the child does not respond, call 112 immediately. Place one hand on the child's forehead and two fingertips under the tip of the chin and open the airway by tilting the head back slightly. Look, listen, and feel for normal breathing for up to 10 seconds. If the child is not breathing normally, give 5 breaths. Reopen the airway. Pinch the soft part of the nose shut with your thumb and forefinger. Place your lips firmly around the child's mouth and blow in for 1 second until the chest rises. Give a total of 5 breaths. If the child does not respond, start chest compressions. Connect the AED as soon as it's available, but interrupt chest compressions and rescue breathing as little as possible.
Apply pads to bare chest. Press pads firmly.
For children who can easily be turned onto their side, place the AED pads in a front-to-back position. Place the front pad in the center of the chest and the back pad in the middle of the back between the shoulder blades.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Shock advised. The AED is charging. Press the flashing button to deliver a shock. Shock delivered. Start CPR.
Place the heel of one hand on the center of the chest and position yourself with your arms straight directly above the chest. Press the chest at least 1/3 of the front to back diameter at a rate of 100 to 120 per minute. After 15 chest compressions, give 2 breaths. Continue alternating between 15 chest compressions and 2 breaths. Take turns every 2 minutes.